Hey, this is Kamranu from Agentic AI. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, if you want to learn Agentic AI automation on n8n and you don't want to pay monthly subscription charges, then please must watch this complete video. Guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to set up your n8n localhost in just 10 minutes. Most of the people ask to me WhatsApp is not working on their n8n localhost setup. But this 10-minute video let you know the complete setup of n8n localhost where you can perfectly use the WhatsApp node to test the automation workflows. So guys, if you are a non-technical person and you stuck at any point during n8n localhost setup, then you can watch my complete detailed previous videos already available in the playlist of this YouTube channel. Please complete watch this video and please subscribe my channel. So without any delay, let's come on the screen. So guys, before going towards practical work, I want to share some points through which we are going to set up our n8n localhost. We are going to install the podman container first, and second we will go to the namecheap.com where we will purchase the domain name in just $2. On the third point, we will add the domain name and create the tunnel in cloudflare.com so that communication between n8n and external servers can be held. On fourth point, we will open the terminal and download the n8n and run the n8n through two special commands. On fifth point, we will open the browser and we will check the n8n is working or not. And on sixth point, we will log in the n8n and add the credentials of WhatsApp node, and we will test either it is working with external server or not, because without domain name and without creating the tunnel, it cannot communicate with meta server. So through these points, we are completely set up our n8n localhost where we can build thousands of workflows without any monthly subscription charges. Right, the podman download. Well, you will see the first website, podman desktop download. You can click on it. So because I'm using the Windows, so that's why I'm going to click the download, save. So you can see the setup has been downloaded with exe file. So we are going to click it here. Yes, it has been started. Click on the install, click finish. The podman has been installed. Go to setting, click here, create new, click it, create, go back to resources, and you will see the machine has been appeared here. So it's running. Browser right here, Namecheap. You can also buy the domain from anywhere. So in this video, we are going to learn how to purchase the cheap domain. Here we can find our domain, n8n automation xyz. So click on the search. So it showed us that this name is available. Well, you can see n8n automation xyz.store is available with 0.98 per year dollar. Just click on add to cart and you can purchase the domain from over here. I have already purchased the domain, so I'm going to sign in with my account. This is my dashboard, and here you can see I have purchased few domains for learning purpose. I'm going to use this one. Now we are going to click on the manage, and in the name server, this is the portion where we are going to set up. I'm leaving this page right now. After purchasing the domain, you will have to go cloudflare.com. You can find it. Click on this, click on Google. Now I'm selecting my Gmail account. This type of dashboard you can see. So simple, you will add a domain, connect a domain. Domain is #digitalmarketing.store. Whatever the domain you will purchase, you will write the name of the domain here. Click on the continue. Well, you can see this page has been appeared. Select free plan. Well, a new page has been appeared. You don't need to do anything here. You just need to click on this button, continue to activation. So on this page, you can see two things, this one and this one. You will just copy this one and paste into the Namecheap copy. So just click on this custom DNS and paste it. Now we will again go to Cloudflare and the second one, copy and paste here, paste it. The green button, save it. On Cloudflare, we have to tell Cloudflare that I have updated the name servers in Namecheap. Here is the button, just click on it. Well, you can see #digitalmarketing.store has been appeared here. So just go back on the left side networking tab. Just click on it to create a tunnel. Click on tunnel. Simple, click on this button. Give the name n8n-demo. You can give any name. Click on create tunnel. You will see this page. Just click on it. click save and done. Click on it. It has been updated. Open command prompt as administrator. Run as administrator. Just copy this. This is the token and we are going to copy it and paste in our terminal. So you will see as soon as I will paste the command and hit the enter, this portion would be green and it would be connected. So I'm going to hit enter. Here you can see it has gone green. So click on continue. A tunnel has been created with this name and status is healthy. Click on it, add a route and just one published. Here you will write subdomain. You can write only n8n, and in service URL you need to put your localhost address in this way: http://localhost:5678. So now click on add route. Route added successfully. Just close this window. Command, you must run as administrator. Click on it and now we are going to command it. So what are the commands? I have already written here and I'm also sharing this command into the description box. Copying it, just paste here. Now this command will pull the n8n, enter, click. Now you can see it is going to download the n8n into the podman container. So it will take some time. So guys, as you can see, it has completed the process of pulling the image of n8n in podman. Now we are going to use the second command. We are going to use this command where our domain name is mentioned. Open your terminal and give this command and click. You can see the container has been run and now we are going to test. Now start with n8n digital marketing. Well, see guys, it's going to open the page, reload. After 2 minutes it's supposed to start and now it is going to be opened here. And you can see the n8n is ready to run. Here we are going to give our email, my email here. I have selected the email, Gmail address, first name Kamran, last name Noor, and now I'm going to write the password here. Just click on next. In second phase it will ask more information. Before starting it is asking some more information, which is very easy. Just can say Google, YouTube, get started. You just click on this, send me a free license key. You can see here the message, your license key is on the way, check your email. Now I'm going to check my email. Email has been received. Copy and paste this key. Let's come back to our main page. Click on setting button, usage and plan. Just click on it. This feature, enter activation key. Paste here your activation key and click on the activate. Sorry, your registered community edition has been successfully activated. And go back to your canvas where you can build a workflow. Now I'm going to test my workflow. Click on it. Just click on it. WhatsApp Business Cloud on message. Set up the credentials and paste over here client ID. It is pasted and paste over here. Click on the save button. We will have to add the WhatsApp, one more WhatsApp node. So guys, you can see here we are going to select send message. Message action is send message. You can see on the setup credentials business account ID and paste the access node here and click on save. Connected successfully. So just close it. So this is the test number and I'm adding my personal number as a recipient or user. Thank you. For testing purpose only. Close this. We are going to test it on WhatsApp. Hi. Now you will see the reply. Thank you. So guys, you can see the workflow has been automated successfully. So guys, if you did not understand anything during the whole setup, you can go to my playlist and check all the videos. You will get the video with the whole setup process step by step. Hope you will like this video and must subscribe my channel. Thank you.